Hello everyone, today we will start the video of political science, power sharing. In this video we will discuss about the multiple choice questions, MCQs. So let's start the video. Question number 1. Belgium shares borders with France, the Netherlands, Germany and dash. Option A, England. Option B, Norway. Option C, Luxembourg. Option D, Italy. The correct answer is Luxembourg. Next question. In the capital city Brussels, 80% of people dash speak. Option A, French. Option B, Dutch. Option C, German. Option D, English. The correct answer is French. Next question. 20% of the people of Brussels speak dash. Option A, Dutch. Option B, English. Option C, German. Option D, Italian. The correct answer is Dutch. Next question. Brussels presented a special problem. What was it? Option A. Dutch speaking people constituted a minority in the country but a majority in the capital. Option B. Dutch speaking people constituted a majority in the country but a minority in the capital. Option C. Other foreign languages were spoken in. Option D. English was becoming dominant. The correct answer is Dutch speaking people constituted a majority in the country but a minority in the capital. Next question. What percentage of Sri Lankan population is Tamil speaking? Option A, 50%. Option B, 20%. Option C, 18%. Option D, 16%. The correct answer is 18%. Next question. The people whose forefathers came from India to Sri Lanka as plantation worker during the colonial period are called dash. Option A, Sri Lankan Tamil. Option B, Indian Tamil. Option C, Tamil Indians. Option D, Indian Sri Lankans. The correct answer is Indian Tamils. Next question. Most of the Sinhalese speaking people in Sri Lanka are dash. Option A, Hindus. Option B, Christians. Option C, Muslims. Option D, Buddhist. The correct answer is Buddhist. Next question. When did Sri Lanka emerge as an independent country? Option A, 1949. Option B, 1950. Option C, 1948. Option D, 1951. The correct answer is 1951. 1948. Next question. In dash, an act was passed to recognize Sinhalese as the only official language, thus disregarding Tamil. The governments followed preferential policies that favored Sinhalese applicants for university position and government jobs. Option A, 1956. Option B, 1957. Option C, 1958. Option D, 1959. The correct answer is 1957. Next question. All these government measures coming one after the other gradually increased the dash among the Sri Lankan Tamils. Option A, protest. Option B, favoritism. Option C, feeling of alienation. Option D, subordination. The correct answer is feeling of alienation. Next question. By the 1980s, several political organizations were formed demanding dash. Option A, certain rights. Option B, independent Tamil Elim state. Option C, sovereign state. Option D, priority in jobs for Tamils. The correct answer is independent Tamil Elim state. Next question. When did the civil war of Sri Lanka end? Option A, 2010. Option B, 2009. Option C, 2005. Option D, 2011. The correct answer is 2009. Next question. How many times was the Constitution of Belgium amended between 1970 and 1993? Option A, 3 times. Option B, 2 times. Option C, 4 times. Option D, once. The correct answer is 4 times. Next question. The Constitution of Belgium prescribes that the number of Dutch and French speaking ministers dash in the central government. Option A shall be equal. Option B Dutch speaking shall be more. Option C French speaking will be more. Option D none of the above. The correct answer is shall be equal. Next question. The community government is elected by people belonging to one language community, Dutch, French, and German speaking. What powers does it hold? Option A cultural, educational, and language related issues. Option B political issues. Option C defense related issues. Option D all of the above. The correct answer is cultural, educational, and language related issues. Next question. Give reason as to why power sharing can be good for a country. Option A. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflicts between social groups. Option B is a good way to ensure the stability of political order. Option C. It does not lead to confusion in managing the state. Option D. A and B. The correct answer is A and B. Next question. Give one moral reason as to why power sharing is good. Option A. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflicts between social groups. Option B. It does not lead to confusion in managing the state. Option C. People have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. Option D. Power sharing is a good way to ensure the stability of political order. The correct answer is people have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. Next question. The idea of power sharing has emerged in opposition to dash. Option A democracy. Option B dictatorship. Option C monarch. Option D undivided political power under one sect. The correct answer is undivided political power under one sect. Next question. Give an example of horizontal distribution of power. Option A. Governments at the provincial or regional level. Option B. Legislature, executive and judiciary. Option C. Among different social groups. Option D. Political parties, pressure group and movements. The correct answer is legislature, executive and judiciary. Next question. Which is a federal division of power? Option A. Governments at the provincial or regional level. Option B. Legislature, executive and judiciary. Option C. Among different social groups. Option D. Political parties, pressure groups and movements. The correct answer is government at the provincial or regional level. Next question. Where power is shared among different organs of government such as the legislature, executive and judiciary, what is the functioning of this system called? Option A horizontal system. Option B system of check and balances. Option C systems of shared duties. Option D system of limited power. The correct answer is system of check and balance. Next question. Consider the following statements about power sharing arrangement in Belgium and Sri Lanka. In Belgium, the Dutch speaking majority people tried to impose their domination on the minority French speaking community. Number 2. In Sri Lanka, the policies of the government sought to ensure the dominance of the Sinhala speaking majority. Number 3. The Tamils in Sri Lanka demanded a federal arrangement of power sharing to protect their culture, language, and equality of opportunity in education and jobs. Number 4. The transformation of Belgium from unitary government to a federal one prevented a possible division of the country on linguistic lines. Which of the statement is correct? Option A, all of the above. Option B, 1, 2 and 4. Option C, 3 and 4. Option D, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 4. Next question. In Sri Lanka, there are about dash percent Christians who are both Tamil and Sinhala? Option A 10, option B 15, option C 77, option D 12. The correct answer is 7. Next question. In Sri Lanka, the democratically elected government adopted a series of dash measures to establish Sinhala supremacy. Option A extreme, option B democratic, option C political, option D majoritarian. The correct answer is majoritarian. Next question. In Sri Lanka, a new constitution stipulated that the state shall protect and foster dash Tamil Indians. Option A Hindu, option B Buddhist, option C Christian, option D Islam. The correct answer is Christian. Next question. In Belgium dash option A the state governments are not subordinate to the central government. Option B the state governments are subordinate to the central government. Option C the state governments have no say before the central government. Option D the state government can contradict the central government. The correct answer is the state governments are not subordinate to the central government. Next question. When many countries of Europe came together to form the European Union, dash was chosen as the headquarter. Option A Paris, option B Brussels, option C Rome, option D London. The correct answer is Brussels. Next question. Name one prudential reason for power sharing. Option A power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. Option B people have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. Option C citizens through participation acquire a stake in the system. Option D power sharing is good because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. The correct option is power sharing is a good because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Next question. Different arguments are usually put forth in favor of and against power sharing. Identify those which are in favor of power sharing and select the answer using the quotes given below. Power sharing. Number 1. Reduce conflict among different communities. Number 2. Decrease the possibility of arbitrariness. Number 3. Delay decision making process. Number 4. Accommodates diversities. Number 5. Increases instability and divisionness. Number 6. Promotes people's participation in government. Number 7. Undermines the unity of a country. Option A 1, 2, 4, 6. Option B 1, 3, 5, 6. Option C 1, 2, 4, 7. Option D 2, 3, 4, 7. The correct answer is 1, 2, 4, 7. Next question. Consider the following two statements on power sharing and select the answer using the quotes given below. Number 1. Power sharing is good for democracy. Number 2. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflicts between social groups. Which of these statements are true and false? Option A. 1 is true but second is false. Option B. Both 1 and second are true. Option C. Both first and second are false. Option D. First is false but second is true. The correct answer is both first and second are true.